Hello, Weekend Crafter! Welcome back to the Craft Time Studio. I'm Ange, your Weekend Crafter. And well, for today, I just really wanted to give you a big thank you because I finally reached 5,000 subscribers. And I know that's not a lot for some people, but for me, it's a huge deal because I'm not very good with social media. So I just wanted to thank everyone who's been so supportive of this channel, who's always been leaving me comments and giving suggestions also. So I really appreciate all of you for doing that. And so, because this is the reason why I'm doing this video, I also wanted to share with you how I made my own play button. This YouTube play button is really a clay slab that I made for myself to commemorate my 5,000 subs. I know that YouTube actually, gives you your own play button when you reach 100,000 subs, but I don't know if I'll be able to do that. Uh, and since, I still want to commemorate this day because it's very important for me, I made my own play button using clay. To make this play button, I used a square cutter, a diamond cutter, a tissue blade, some small alphabet stamps, and some clay. You can use any color of clay that you like, but I wanted something shiny, so I chose gold. I rolled it out into the number 4 setting and punched a square. To make the shape neat, I used a tissue blade to cut around the outline. I repeated these steps to make an identical square. Now it's time to decorate my play button. I made some thin coils and punched some flowers. I used my detail needle to put some texture on the flowers, and I placed the flowers on opposite ends of the square. Next, let's cut some leaves. Apart from cutters, I also used some silicone molds.
Now I stamp the words I want to put on my play button. First, I want to commemorate the year when I hit 5,000 subs, which is 2022. To make this stand out, I first stamped the letter on some mica powder before I stamped it on the clay. I made a tutorial on how to stamp using mica on clay, and I'm placing a link above. I repeated these steps, but this time I stamped 5,000 subs. I continued to fill the slab with flowers. Once I am happy with the design, I come back with my square cutters. These cutters came from createalong.com, by the way. What's special about it is that it also punches an inner square. Once that inner square has been removed, it's time to glue this on the top of the other square. I used liquid Sculpey to bond the two pieces together. Next, I got some red clay and flattened it into the number 3 setting. Then, I punched the smaller square and placed it inside the bigger square. I then got a diamond cutter and split it in half to make the actual play button. Before I bake the piece, I just cleaned the edges with a tissue blade. I also removed the excess mica powder using a Q-tip. And that is it for today's clay project. Again, I sincerely want to thank everyone for the support. It really means the world to me to be able to share my love for clay crafting. If you've made it this far into the video, I want to share with you some free postcard downloads which you can gift to fellow crafters. I will place a link in the description below for the high-res files. Have a crafty weekend, everyone. Bye!